Check out this 2018 Kia Sportage LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, cruise control and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.